how to switch back to personal account on Instagram updated. On this video, I will show you a quick guide on how to switch your personal account on Instagram. Step 1. Make sure to update your Instagram app. Now, if already been updated, you can open top profile on the bottom. Tap menu button. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll and tap the creator tools and select switch account type and select personal account. Now you are back to your personal account. Now, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.